Hey everybody, back with a really quick video. I've been gone for a very long time, so I just wanted to show you all I'm still at it and I'm still working. I just have been really busy. So I've been doing some other niches as well. Some people contacted me. I'm going to show you guys later on how I took a mobile detailing company from 0 to 22 appointments in a week. I also have done some stuff with some church campaigns, helping bring some members inside the door. I want to show you guys some campaigns from that, but I just wanted to show you, this is pretty amazing. This client wanted me to produce over 3,000 leads a month for these people, and I just really didn't know if I could, to be honest, because I knew we were at like 2,000 leads a month, but 3,000, it's like, what was I going to do? So the first thing I did is I created some new pictures. So I use Canva. I use Canva and Fiverr so that people can help me with pictures. And as far as what the targeting interests are concerned, I just kind of go for it. So there are different types of targeting interests that you can use. And that's what I did. So I tested a bunch of different ad copy as well. So new ad copy, new ad pictures, new targeted audiences, and my one of my best days was the 18th. You can see here where I got over 400 solar leads for $3.66 a piece. And then there's the 19th, which was yesterday, where I got over 300 leads in one day for an average of $4.32. And then there's today, which today's not over, but I'm at 99 leads right now for an average of $5.15. So I just wanted to show you all an update that I'm still around. I know I haven't done very many videos as of lately, but I've just been really busy helping out a lot of people and a lot of companies, which is a really good thing because that's how I make my money. So if you are interested in seeing what I can do for your business, you're looking to hire me, see what my prices are, my description is below inside of the box. So I hope you all are staying healthy and staying safe. I know the coronavirus has got a lot of people going crazy for a lot of stuff, but hopefully that stuff will be over soon. So hope you guys are doing well, and I'll make another video for you all real soon.